Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you what makes a linear graph or line positive or negative. Here right now we're in GeoGebra and I've got my two lines, the blue and yellow one, as you can see. And we've got other lines as well, but we'll go through that later. Right now we have a negative slope. And why is this negative? Because it has a negative in front of y is equal to mx plus c, the equation minus 2x plus 2 and minus 2x minus 10. Now you can see that both of the lines are going downwards in a downwards direction. That's how you see if a line is negative. Or you can use the traditional method and just look at the equation of the line, and if it has a negative in front of it of m, then it's a negative slope or a downward slope. So as you can see, it says y is equal to minus 2x, so minus mx plus c. So that's why it's a negative slope. But let's say you don't have the equation of the line, and you just have the lines on, like, the picture of the lines. You can just look at it and you can tell if it's positive or negative. So as you can see, if you look at the positive graphs or the positive lines, you can see that there is no there is no negative sign in front of the mx plus c. But let's say you didn't have the equation. How would you know this? A slope or line is positive. It moves from left to right in an upwards or it rises. That is what a positive slope is. And you can tell this line is positive because it goes left to right in an upwards or like it's rising. But what if a line is negative? It goes from right to left and in a like negative direction, like it goes downwards. Now, if you're curious on what app or website this is GeoGebra, and you can access this, and it's a very innovative tool to learn and have fun while doing math. You can plot graphs on it, any type of graph. You have to give the equation, and you can make the lines. As you can see, I created linear equations and plotted linear graphs, but you can make any graph, like even circular functions, anything. Please check out the app GeoGebra. It's really cool. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Just a really cool, fun tool. Now I'll show you the graph without the equation, and you can see what if it's positive or negative. So we've got our linear graph and Cartesian plane x and y coordinates. There we go. And yeah, we've got a graph now. So this is a negative slope, a negative line, and you can tell it's negative because it goes from left to right, quadrant 2 to quadrant 4, and yeah, that's, and then we've got a positive one because it comes from that direction, and you can see it's a positive line, a positive slope, and this is the negative side, this is the positive side, and whatever line that comes from this side is negative, and whatever line comes from this side is positive. So it's a really good way to remember this. It's really good to remember this. It comes a lot in exams and tests, and it's very helpful because it's like a trick question if you don't have the equation of the line, and you can just tell which side or which way the graph is, if it's positive or negative. And a good way to remember this is like a roller coaster. Going down a roller coaster is negative because it's not fun, and going up a roller coaster is really fun, so it's positive. So you can kind of remember it in that analogy. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll upload more videos soon. Thanks.